Hi, team. This is a quick walkthrough of conditional field locking in Followup CRM. I'll show what it does, how to set it up, and what users see. Conditional field locking lets admins create rules that make project fields read-only when specific conditions are met. Important, the trigger can be any project field, not just sales status. We'll start here in locked fields. This is where you define your rules. First, you choose your starting point, which is your trigger field. In this example, we're selecting sales status. Then you choose the value that activates the rule. Here, we'll use new lead. Next, you select the fields you want to lock. For this example, we're going to lock base bid and final base bid. Once that's set, you can save the rule. Now, let's go into a project that matches this condition. This project has a sales status of new lead, so the rule is active. You'll notice that base bid and final base bid are now locked. They're still visible, but they can't be edited by standard users. Now, let's look at how to control who can bypass this. To do that, go to Company Settings, then People, and open User Permissions. Under Project Permissions, you'll see an option for Bypass Locked Fields. Users with this permission enabled will still be able to edit those locked fields, even when the rule is active. So standard users see those fields as read-only, while admins or permitted users can still make changes. That's conditional field locking, using trigger conditions to control field editing while still giving you flexibility through permissions.